Good morning everyone! Ito po ang The Mindful Tito Podcast with me, Pop-Up Cardenas, where we share tips and lessons on having a better mindset as we grow older and becoming a happy human with a healthy mind. FYI, I'm here to share my life experiences, successes, and failures. The information presented in this podcast is to inspire people. I recommend seeking guidance from experts such as mental health advocates and other experts in the chosen field. But rest assured that all your feedback, comments, and suggestions are important to me to improve my content moving forward. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to episode 52 of The Mindful Tito, your safe space for inner peace, real talk, and becoming a happier human with a healthier mind. Today's episode is very important to everyone. It's called Grow in Silence. And when I say that, I don't mean hide. I don't mean run away from people. What I mean is this. You don't need the world's applause to validate your progress. Alam nyo kasi, in this world of instant sharing, every win, every gym workout, every step forward, we forget one sacred truth. Our greatest growth happens in silence. Alam nyo, sa panahon ngayon ng oversharing at lahat dapat nakapost, minsan nakakalimutan natin na nangihingi na lamang tayo ng validation sa mga tao or minsan sa mga estranghero. Hindi natin kailangan ipakita sa buong mundo ang bawat hakbang ng progress natin. Hindi mo kailangan ng likes para masabing may growth. Pero bakit nga ba? Why we crave for validation? We live in an era of digital diaries. And it's normal. Like this podcast, this is my digital diary. It's my space to create my own therapy. Para lang sana sa akin to for my eyes only. But I also want to share my learnings and experiences to people for inspiration and support. And again, it's normal. Kasi totoo naman, we want to be seen, to be heard, and to be supported. That's why we seek validation. But sometimes in our craving for validation, we miss out on the magic of growth na para lang sana sa atin. Real transformation doesn't always need an audience. You don't have to post your program for it to be real. We can stay in silence and grow. Kasi remember this, the quiet work is still work. Just because tahimik ka doesn't mean wala kang ginagawa. Minsan nga, yung pinaka-importanting transformation nangyayari sa likod ng eksena. Yung tipong ikaw lang ang nakakaalam. Yung pag-pick up mo sa sarili mo after a breakdown. Yung araw-araw na disiplina mo kahit walang nakakakita. Yung pag-prioritize mo ng inner peace over social media attention. Hindi ito tungkol sa pagiging secretive ha. It's about respecting your progress. Kasi hindi lahat kailangan i-broadcast. Hindi lahat ng progress kailangan i-post. That's why falling in love with the journey is really important. Grow in silence is also about falling in love with the journey, not just the outcome. You don't have to broadcast the early mornings, the quiet sacrifices, the battles with self-doubt. Those aren't for the feed. Those are for the soul. Minsan, habang tahimik ka nagtatanim, nagkakaugat ka na pala, lumalalim ka, lumalakas ka, hindi pa lang obvious sa iba. And that's your power. Kaya hayaan natin sila, hayaan natin ang tao. Let them be surprised. Hayaan mong magulat sila sa bagong ikaw. Hayaan mong ang resulta mo ang magsalita para sa'yo. Not to brag, not to flex, but to inspire. Kasi hindi mo kailangan sumigaw para marinig. Kapag authentic ang growth mo, ramdam yan. Kahit hindi mo pa sabihin. And most importantly, protect your peace. Minsan din kasi, kapag tahimik ang journey mo, mas klaro ang boses mo deep within. Mas naririnig mo ang sarili mo. Mas buo ang desisyon mo. Also, if you're religious and you pray in silence, mas malinaw din ang nais iparating sa iyo ni Lord and His amazing universe. Mas maririnig mo siya in silence, di ba? Kaya okay lang kahit wala kang audience. Walang pumapalakpak. Ang importante, meron kang progress. Tandaan natin, hindi natin kailangan magmadaling i-prove ang sarili natin. Grow at our own pace. Heal in our own space. And when it's time, gulatin mo sila. Isang version ng sarili mong hindi mo rin inaakalang kaya mo. Grow in silence. Let your peace confuse them. Let your discipline shine. Let your glow tell the story. You are becoming, and that's enough. And that's all we have for this episode at sana'y marami kayong natutunang mga bagay. This is your Mindful Tito reminding you, less flex, more focus. No post, just progress. Hindi lahat ng malakas, maingay. Hindi lahat ng tahimik, mahina. Some of the strongest people, tahimik lang, pero laging panalo sa buhay. So once again, if this episode helped you, share it with someone na baka kailangan ding marinig ito. And if may insights kayo or kwento about your own mindset shift, DM nyo lang ako at Pop-Up Cardenas on Instagram. But before I end this episode, I will truly appreciate it if you share this episode or even my podcast and my YouTube channel to your friends, to your colleagues, to your family, because I am more than happy to share good energy with people. Sa uulitin, salamat po sa pakikinig. Ako po si Pop-Up Cardenas and this is the Mindful Tito Podcast. Just a short message, don't be hard on yourself and avoid negative self-talk so you can also share kindness and good energy to the people around you. Again, my name is Pop-Up at maraming salamat po.